Right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get a Lovable Pro for free. Yeah, it's like actually free, so let's jump straight to it. First of all, you just need to open Lovable and click on upgrade to Pro. Now you need to choose the $25 per month plan. Don't worry, you are not paying anything yet. You will be redirected to the payment page, and here you will see an option to apply a coupon code. One quick thing before I show you the code, use a new account. Trust me on this. I tried on a 3 or 4 existing accounts, but it didn't work, so just create a new account. Alright, now enter this coupon code that I'm displaying on the screen. It's the next play love 24. I will add the exact spelling on the screen or in the description box below, so you can just copy it from here. If you try this on old account, you probably see something like invalid code like this, but watch this. I'm switching to a fresh account, apply the same code, and yeah, you can see it works. As you can see, the total come down to $0, literally $0. You can just continue to the checkout, and that's it. You have now Lovable Pro, and it's not just for the 1 month, by the way. It's for 2 months. After that, you can continue if you want, or you can just cancel completely your call. That's pretty much. If you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment. I will help you out. More videos coming this week, so stay tuned.